Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new 2020 Grady-White 285 Freedom. This boat's here in Ocean View, New Jersey. Just arrived. Celestial blue hull. White bottom, has not been painted yet. We optioned this boat with the twin Yamaha 250s. Take a walk through and look at how we option this boat inside. As we enter our 285, we want to take notice this boat does have the ski piling and engine flushes. Fish box in the back, live welded cutting board. 4-rod rocket launcher across the back, 2 on each leg of the hard top. This boat is optioned with 2 electric seats, which come back, make a good sized lounge. Helm, bolster seat, tilt helm, trim tab, stereo, the new Yamaha gauge. It's an electric seat. Companion seat with a footrest. You can see the lounge seats there. Take a look forward. Storage underneath. Cushions, speakers, cup holders. The boat does have a windlass. Remotes inside. This all buttons up for the weather. As you can hear, it's pretty windy today. Boat does have a very nice marine head. Rod storage forward. There is a sink. Some more rod holders. A 12-volt outlet. This boat is here in stock, Ocean View, New Jersey. Call us, email us, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for taking a look.